Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add plane tickets to Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. At the bottom right corner, tap the Add to Wallet button. You'll see options like Transit Pass, Loyalty Card, Gift Card, and Payment Card. Scroll down and you'll find another section for boarding passes, event tickets, and more. When you purchase a plane ticket online or through an airline app, look for the Add to Google Wallet button. If your ticket was sent to Gmail, you'll also see an option to add it directly from your email. If you want extra guidance, tap on the Learn how to add to wallet option inside the app. It explains how to add plane tickets, boarding passes, IDs, and more step by step. And that's it. That's how to add plane tickets to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.